Donald Trump's defense lawyer on Thursday accused prosecution star witness Michael Cohen of lying at the former U.S. president's trial about a 2016 phone call about a $130,000 hush money payment to a porn star. Cohen, who was once Trump's trusted personal lawyer, claimed he spoke with his former boss about plans to buy Stormy Daniels' silence about what she claims is a 2006 sexual encounter with the then reality TV star. Trump's attorney, Todd Blanche, said to Cohen, quote, "That is a lie. You can admit it." "No, sir, I can't, because I'm not certain that is accurate," Cohen responded. The exchange followed several hours of questioning by Blanche, designed to cast Trump's former fixer as a spiteful turncoat, eager to see his former boss behind bars. Cohen testified he paid off Daniels and that Trump reimbursed him, falsely logging the reimbursements as legal expenses. Trump is charged with illegally falsifying business records to hide the payments. The Manhattan District Attorney alleges Trump wanted to quash a sordid story that threatened his 2016 bid for the White House.
This trial is a scam, and it's a sham, and it shouldn't happen.
Trump has pleaded not guilty, denied the affair, and called the prosecution politically motivated to hurt his presidential campaign. Donald Trump's lawyers sought to undermine Cohen's credibility on Thursday, highlighting his past record of lying and his statements celebrating Trump's legal troubles. Trump's lawyer played jurors' audio clips of Cohen saying the case, quote, "fills me with delight," and that he felt, quote, "giddy with hope and laughter," imagining Trump and his family in prison. Cohen's testimony has been corroborated by other evidence, including handwritten notes outlining Cohen's reimbursements, and a surreptitious recording made by Cohen of Trump seeming to discuss a hush money payment made by the National Enquirer tabloid to another woman. Cohen is set to return to the witness stand next week.
Congratulations.
Are you going to testify?
How'd Todd do?
Well, thank you very much. I think it was a very interesting day. It was a fascinating day. And it shows what a scam this whole thing is. I didn't violate any law. It was a scam. This case, it was going to be brought, which it should have never been brought, should have been brought 7 or 8 years ago. They didn't do that because they wanted to bring it right in the middle of the election, and especially since we're leading in every poll. New York has got to do something about what's happening, because you look at Judge Engoron, you look at Judge Kaplan, what they've done, it's disgraceful. Everyone's laughing at the New York system, and companies are leaving, people are leaving, but major companies with tremendous taxpayer dollars and employers of millions of people, literally, people are leaving. They're taking their companies, they're all watching this case, and they're watching Engoron too, and they're watching Kaplan.
Cohen, do you think Trump shouldn't get convicted?
Back up.
Michael Cohen was back on the stand Thursday in court. Donald Trump's attorneys were much more aggressive in questioning him than they had been earlier in the trial. They sought to undercut some of his testimony from earlier in the week. Their performance, which was much more aggressive, is not only important for the jury, but it's something that's important to their client. Donald Trump is known as someone who likes his attorneys to be tough and bulldogish, and that's the kind of performance they showed in court on Thursday. Court is scheduled off on Friday. Donald Trump is expected to attend his son's graduation. They're expected to be back in court on Monday, and Michael Cohen is expected to be back on the stand.
Are you ready to? Do you want Mr. Smith to testify? Are you going to